So on our previous video, we talked about this Fibonacci line. We talked about this 200-week moving average support. Each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin has broken the resistance from this 0.618 Fibonacci line, found support above this 200-week moving average, it has resulted in a very bullish move. I mean, each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin, before starting with an actual market phase, actual parabolic move, first it overcame the resistance from this 0.618 Fibonacci line, found support at this 200 weekly moving average, and only after that started with an actual parabolic move. Same thing happened again and again, and since the price of Bitcoin was also above this 200-week moving average, we broke the resistance from this 0.618 Fibonacci line. Now, just like from this past price action, we might be preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside. Yes, guys, the price of Bitcoin is above 200-week moving average, above 0.618 Fibonacci line. It looks like a preparation for another bullish continuation, because it's not just only the price action. We even found out with this Bitcoin ETF flow table that institutions money is flowing in. If you look at this 23rd October Bitcoin ETF inflow, $192 million inflow. Next day, $188 million inflow. 25th of October, another $402 million inflow. So you can see institution money is flowing in, and parallelly we even found out with the help of this descending broadening wedge that breaking the upper trend line could be a preparation for another bullish continuation. And why? Because this upper trend line in the past price action was considered as one very important line of resistance, which we have already broken. And now to the downside, the price of Bitcoin has also started to form a bullish cross in MACD. Yes, guys, this happened when the price of Bitcoin was preparing itself for a new all-time high in the past price action. So a very similar move could be happening in our case as well. I mean, price of Bitcoin in a bigger picture looks like preparing itself for another continuation, another new all-time high, because beside this example, even with the help of this bull flag, we found out breakout from this descending channel, breakout from this bull flag, will be preparing ourselves for another bullish continuation. Because to the downside, you can see indicators have already confirmed this move. I mean, in the past price action, whenever MACD started turning bullish, RSI started above 50, I mean started appearing above 50, T3CCI indicators started appearing in a positive territory. Whenever we have seen a confirmation from these indicators to the downside, after few days, after few weeks, we have seen the price of Bitcoin turning very bullish. So in our case, along with the price action, even indicators are slowly turning bullish. And not just only that, parallelly, if you compare this falling channel or bull flag with this cup and handle pattern, you can see in a weekly time frame the price has also broken out of this handle. And if you look at this example on the right hand side, after breaking out from this handle, what is expected next? Price getting attracted towards this neckline. But what I want you guys to look at is a breakout which has already happen. I mean, price of Bitcoin has already broken out of this key line of resistance. Now, this same trend line will be acting as support in case of pullback. But I personally think even if the price starts showing another continuation to the downside, come back to test the support, that could be a great buying opportunity, because we just found out descending channel breakout, descending broadening wedge breakout, even the indicators to the downside along with this monthly time frame. We might be preparing ourselves for a new all-time high, because beside this price action, even the dominant chart, Bitcoin dominant chart, is clearly breaking out. And according to this Bitcoin dominant chart, you can see the next area of confluence sits above 70%. So this will be right, this here will be also looked as a continuation pattern. So that's why holding Bitcoin right now could be very profitable, because according to this dominant chart, you can see the dominance is going to rise further. And beside that, this Bollinger Band is also pointing us the price in the medium short term could be showing more sideways movement, even come back to test the support from this basis line or the center line, and price after that is expected to continue with this actual bullish move. Because I showed you this, that in the past price action during uptrend, the price usually, right, during uptrend, the price usually breaks the upper band And during this breakout, right, during this upper band breakout, what happens? Price also finds support at this basis line or the center line. I mean, each and every pullback after breaking out of this upper band has resulted in price finding support at the center line and continuing with this actual bullish move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that any sort of a pullback, even this signal line or the basis line, will be acting as support for Bitcoin. So any sort of a pullback, it will be looked as a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to continue with this actual bullish move, because beside this Bollinger Band, even with the help of this leading indicator, the price of Bitcoin is clearly above this October CPR, which sits above 60,000. Now we might be preparing ourselves for another continuation here like this, and any sort of a pullback, even if this symmetrical triangle is going to favor the shorts, right? Please do not panic. That might be just a temporary pullback before expecting another continuation here in this manner, because I've been very clear with you guys. Price remaining over 60,000 means we are going to print a new ascending CPR, and ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend. So please guys, please, in case of doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out, because in a bigger picture, you can see the price of Bitcoin looks very, very bullish. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed the vlog, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description. So by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.